Alright guys, Saturday morning, and we're on our way to the Caledon British Car Show. It's sponsored by the Headwaters British Car Club of Ontario. So it's about an hour's drive for us. It's a nice morning. It's a little overcast and a little cool, so we got the sweatshirt on this morning, but we're looking forward to a good day. So maybe we'll take some video when we get there. And we gotta go get some gas. Well, we're threading our way there to the show. We're on a little back road. I think this is called Patterson Road. Nice little road actually. A little bumpy. The TR3 seems to be handling it not too bad. Just cruising along. We're not too far away. Uh-oh. Check that out. See the deer? I'm glad he went that way. Right over the fence. Anyway, bring you back in a bit. Quite nice through here. I always like driving under a nice canopy of trees. Too bad it's not a little warmer out. Anyway. Morning, sir.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Good, thanks.
The whole front. And we put the... Morning, Tash.
Morning.
He showed me his photograph.
Yeah, I was going to say, the car I'm talking about, brown line.
That's okay. When you get eyeballs, I always wonder if they wonder which is older, me or the car.
Not by much. What is this? Nice triple Webers on TR6. Nice clean installation. Beauty. This Tiger sounds pretty mean. Got an appropriate license plate. Nasty cat. Listen to this thing. Walk through the field. This one's just on the outside, just not British. I think that's fast. Interesting wrap on this car.
Hey folks, can I have your attention please? We're going to start...
Kind of an interesting car. It's a Spitfire. As you can see, it's got a GT6 badge on the nose, and it's got a GT6 engine in it. Kind of interesting. Pretty cool. Bet you that's fun.
Back in the cooler, bud? Okay.
Just spitting a bit out here. I can feel a little bit of rain, which would be unfortunate. Not ever having put the top up on my TR3A. That might be exciting. Nice FHC. Beautiful paint. It's a 66. There's an old Jag. It's a beauty. 1950. Mark V. And the nice Jag with the wide whites. DHC. It's a 70. Nice MGA. Morris Minor. 59 Morgan. Ellen's TR4. 64. There's the Beast. A very nice 65 TR4A. And that white with the red interior. Awesome. This is the Hayabusa powered Lotus 7. '73 MGB GT. And another Topaz TR6 with a hardtop. 76. '53 MG. Alpine.
Maybe that's what I've been hearing. Yeah, well, the valve guys use the precursor.
2002 Defender. Quite like that. I really like that.
You have a nice ride in? Good morning. How are you this morning? Yeah. Just a little ahead and leave you at the back. Yeah. Yeah, that would work. You decide to put it up. Okay, that would work. Good morning.
A little later in the show, we got still some cars arriving. We have a few more cars that have arrived. Old Zephyr. I'm really digging this. I think this was here last year. $49. I think he had the bonnet sides on it last year. Pretty cool. Oh, it's a good color of an MGB at least. Must be a drummer. The TBR. Wow. Owned since new, 1965.
Alrighty then, I need 380s up to the tire pumping contest.
Oh, a tire pumping contest.
Guys, how it's done.
Yeah, we definitely heard this guy arriving.
Oh, that red one right there.
You know, 427 Cobra.
Yeah. I went up there, I didn't know.
Nice TR6. Nice color actually. 72. Another Cobra over here. Very, very rare car, 1937 Triumph Continental. I think there's only 2 or 3 of these. And here's one of them. It's a beauty.
Oh, for sure, absolutely.
They put seat belts in it. A friend of ours has a 30 roll. Yeah. Handles stuff.
Oh, okay, I thought it was in the UK.
I mean, it's nice that it's here because I had never heard of
Alright, safe and sound back in the garage. Probably about 2:45 or so, and the car ran fantastic. It was about 160 to 170 kilometers round trip, so good to get some miles on the old girl, and like I said, she ran great. So anyway, we'll wipe her down, and we got another little bit of a show to go to tomorrow. We've got the downtown Newmarket, so my local town's car show is on the main street of Newmarket tomorrow. So I believe Eileen and I are going to be attending tomorrow. We'll probably be the only British cars there, maybe even a little less. Might be bringing the Capri out of storage, so we shall see. Anyway, we'll upload this for today, and hopefully we'll get another car show video for you tomorrow. Alright, have a good night. Thanks, bye.